We've introduced the latest version of the Transkription.com website, and what this allows editors to do is use that in conjunction with the Transkription Premiere Pro panel, so that editors can send transcripts out to assistant editors or clients or producers, and let those people edit the transcripts and send that back to the editor in Premiere. So it just makes it a little bit better workflow than keeping everything in Premiere. You know, the thing about Transkription.com is we really try to keep the experience consistent with what's in Premiere. And so really the big new thing between, with the website is just the ability to share everything both from a Premiere user to a Transkription.com user, a Transkription.com user to another Transkription.com user, and then Transkription.com user back to the Premiere editor. For us, it's really just about making it very easy to work, with Premiere, with the web, and having that ability to do collaboration there. We're not really competing exactly with some of the other transcription services that just have, are just entirely web-based. It's a little bit different workflow for us. We really think that our main advantage is, the tight integration with Premiere, and then the ability to take that experience and move it over to a web browser so that you don't have to have Creative Cloud to, edit the transcripts or view them or, add comments and stuff like that to them. We have a separate panel that ships with Transkription called Powersearch, and if you've got 100 hours of interview footage and all that stuff is transcribed and you're going through the edit and you want to search all that, Powersearch makes it very easy to search everything in the Premiere project. So documentaries is just one of the really key uses of Transkription, where people are using it not only for just the captions, but for searching through all of their footage and, in some cases using it as a bit of a script sync type of replacement. It's not exactly, script sync from Avid, but Powersearch does give you some of that functionality in terms of, typing in a search term and being able to find all the clips that have, where somebody said that search term.